So first thing to do to be able to take apart your Xbox, take off the faceplate. Okay, so that should just come right off. And then this was on top. There's some clips. All you gotta do is just undo it. There's holes. There's clips. All you gotta do is undo those. They might break when you take it out, so that's alright. I mean, just don't break all of them. It'll still stay. And the next step is you have to do the bottom. Bottom one is the same way. Mine's what you want to do is you want to get a flathead. It is a 3.5/6/4. So what you want to do, you want to just, like I said, get the holes. Find it, can't see it. There it is. Alright. I have to. Oh, crap. I'm gonna bring this over here. Having a little trouble right here. Okay. Just take your time when you do this because you don't want to break too many times. Alright. Or break it. So, see, I broke a couple. So, well, that's off. Put this over there. So it should look like that. And what you should have is just this and the back. So don't mess up on this because see what happened? All of that. And then especially down here I messed up. So what you want to do, you want to get a bigger flathead, not one of these small ones. You want to get at least a 5.5/6/4. So, what you want to do, you want to adjust the camera. What you want to do, you want to get these little tiny, these holes right here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, including the bottom. So, what you want to get the top first. Now be careful with these because these are hard to get out. So what you want to do, you just want to go like that, push out. So you want to do this first one, push out, you'll hear a loud snap, it's alright. You won't break it. Be careful with this one. There we go, that popped out easy. Alright, and this one, you gotta be careful. Because that's where I messed up when I first took apart my Xbox. If your Xbox haven't been taken apart, then it's gonna be hard. Just take your time. And then do the same thing. Hold on here. Okay, that snaps. Snap. Alright. That should just pop right off. You turn it around. Now here's the front. So what you want to do, you want to just see these tabs. There's one right here, one right here, one right here, and there's one right there. So you just want to put this like that. You want to lift up at the same time. Try to get them all like out of position. So you use the flathead if you need to, but I don't really use it. Man, this one's hard. This is my back. Okay, that was good. Okay, so just push up. Since you got the clips out, push up. There you go. That's how it should look. Put this aside down here. Okay, so when you get to here, what you need is a star because there's, turn this around. The silver stars, yours may be black, silver. So all you need is a star. There's this one over here, the one in the middle, and the one over here, one over top over here. Oh, whoa. Okay, my bad. Well, okay, like I said, there's one right here, here, and right over here, right here, and one over here. So the total is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I grab this one over here. Okay. Something like that. That's what I have. I mean, you can find something else. I have a star in here. So let me just grab this real fast. Grab my star. Make sure it fits. Alright, so I got my screw, my star. So I'm going to unscrew these right here. Screws. Should look like that little tiny screw. I don't know if you see the groove. So anyway, right there. One over here. Right here, and then there's the last one over there. Alright, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 screws. Okay, and then the next is put these screws down here. Okay, so now you just want to pop up this off. Just come right off. Just take it off right there. Come right off. Just your disc tray button. And then now you just want to lift up on this. There you go. Just comes right off. You can clean that too if it's dusty. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So it looks like inside. So I'm not gonna take apart this. It's just your disk drive, and right here you should peel the sticker. It is your magnet to keep where it sticks to make your disc stay while it's spinning while you're playing. And this is where your fans are. I'll show you where your fans are on this right here. And if you're wondering how to take this out too, all you gotta do is basically just grab right here, lift up a little, and then get a, let me do it real fast, I'll show y'all. Okay, so there's a little thing right here. All you wanna do is lift this up and push. You wanna just push this right here, lift it up and just pull up. But first you have to take off this tray. But you just do that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And this is how you take apart your Xbox. Thanks for watching.